Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to find the battery. Now let's scroll, we do not even have to scroll down. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the battery percentage option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, actually immediately inside the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.